Alright, what's up everyone? So we're back. Thank you guys for watching the last video. I appreciate all the support. We're still in New York here, and this is going to be the dedicated Mustang video. I've got a lot of comments and messages like, hey, post another video, so here it is. I'm on vacation right now, back at home. But here's the car. We're about to go do a little shoot of, it's called 7 Lakes Drive. It's up in New York, up the Parkway. I didn't wash the car just because I'm being lazy, but I'm letting her warm up. Today was supposed to be our dyno day, but it's not going to work out. I don't have enough time to fit that in, unfortunately, but it's all right. I'm fine where the car's at right now. So we're going to go meet up my friend Chris Stanford, one of my good buddies. He's super good with the GoPro, and he has a bunch of mounts and all that jazz. I'm going to bring the drone with us and see if we can get some footage. So I'm going to get on the road, and I'll see you there. Peace. All right, so the drive is about, I would say, 20 minutes maybe to get there. And I'm sitting at 3/4, but I'm gonna get gas just to be safe. So I'm gonna go stop at the gas station real quick. Peace. So this is some of the equipment we're gonna be using today. We got the GoPro Hero 9 and a bunch of mounts, so we'll see how this goes. All right, so we made it. We are at 7 Lakes Drive. It's like this big mountainous area. As you can see, there's the mountains. So we're setting up the car with the GoPro. We're gonna get the exhaust clips first, and then we'll move it. We'll put it by the turbo, and we'll do the whole 9. As you can see, big 1320 crew out here, trying to get hired. But yeah, we'll go rip around a little bit and see if I can get some good clips on the GoPro. Peace. All right guys, so we're up at 7 Lakes and the car's running beautiful. Intake temps are sitting at like 40 degrees, so it's super cold here. I honestly cannot feel my hands, but this is the view. I got some sweet shots with the GoPro. I'll throw those in. And we got some cool shots with the GoPro on the window and some cool exhaust clips. But yeah, this is a sweet area. Good to ride a bike up here too. But all right, we'll see you back at the house. I can't feel my hands. Peace. Still sounds like an airplane. On, wait for this stretch to come up, but she's been popping and crackling like no tomorrow. But yeah, I think we got some really good footage of this one, and I'm getting better with the drone every day, so. All right guys, thank you for watching this video. That was a little montage, little videos of the car being done. There's a few things that still got to get done on the car, but like I said, I'm with family, so I'm just trying to enjoy my time while I'm home. Otherwise, car-wise, I'm trying to think what's next on the to-do list. I got a slight coolant leak. I think I know where it's coming from. I got to fix that. What else? There's a set of drag tires, skinnies and fat boys in the back, that I want to pick up for a decent price, so I'm thinking about that as well. And yeah, just clean up a few things. I want to get the hood repainted because there's bubbles and all that jazz, so we'll see. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. We're on the road to 1,000, and yeah, we'll freaking see you next time. Peace.